Your lungs are one of the most vital organs in your body. They are responsible for delivering oxygen to your blood and removing carbon dioxide and other waste gases. However, your lungs can also suffer from various problems that can affect their function and health. Smoking, air pollution, allergies, infections, and chronic diseases can damage your lungs and make it harder for you to breathe. That's why it's important to take care of your lungs and keep them clean and healthy. One of the ways you can do that is by drinking some natural beverages that can help detox and cleanse your lungs. These drinks can help remove toxins, reduce inflammation, and enhance your lung capacity. In this video, we will share with you 7 drinks that you can easily prepare at home and drink regularly to improve your lung health. These drinks are not only good for your lungs, but also for your overall health and wellness. Make sure you watch until the end. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is not only a delicious and warming drink, but also a potent lung cleanser. Ginger contains gingerol, which is a natural compound that has anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol can help reduce the swelling and irritation in the airways caused by asthma, allergies, bronchitis, or infections. A 2014 study found that ginger extract inhibited the production of inflammatory cytokines in human bronchial epithelial cells. Ginger also has antiviral and antibacterial effects that can help prevent and treat respiratory infections. A 2013 study showed that fresh ginger had antiviral effects against human respiratory syncytial virus, a common cause of respiratory infections in children and adults. Other than that, ginger can also help loosen and expel the excess mucus that clogs the lungs and makes breathing difficult. Ginger also stimulates the cilia, the tiny hair-like structures that line the respiratory tract and sweep away mucus and debris. Making ginger tea is easy and inexpensive. All you need is fresh ginger root, water, and some optional ingredients like lemon, honey, or mint. You will need to wash and peel a piece of fresh ginger root, cut it into small pieces, and then add them to boiling water in a pot. Let them simmer for 15 to 20 minutes on low heat, and then strain the tea into a cup and add lemon juice, honey, or mint leaves as desired. Number 2. Turmeric milk. Turmeric comes from the root of a plant in the ginger family, and its main active ingredient is called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that can help fight off diseases that involve inflammation, such as asthma, bronchitis, COPD, and even lung cancer. So how does it do that? Well, curcumin can reduce the activity of toxins and enzymes that cause inflammation in your body. It can also prevent the activation of proteins that trigger inflammation. This means less swelling, pain, and damage to your lung tissues. But wait, there's more. Curcumin can also protect your lungs from free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage your cells and DNA. Free radicals are produced by pollution, smoking, stress, and other factors. Curcumin can neutralize these free radicals and even boost the action of other antioxidants in your body. Some studies have shown that curcumin can kill certain cancer cells, such as lung, breast, prostate, and colon cancer cells. It may also help chemotherapy work better by making cancer cells more sensitive to the drugs. To make turmeric milk, just heat up a cup of milk in a saucepan over low to medium heat. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of black pepper. Stir well until everything is dissolved. You can also add some cinnamon or ginger for extra flavor. Number 3. Pineapple juice. It may be surprising for you, but pineapple juice can actually help your lungs. That's right. Pineapple juice contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This means that it can help reduce inflammation in your lungs, which can cause coughing, wheezing, and difficulty breathing. Bromelain can also help break down mucus, making it easier to expel from your airways. A 2012 study examined the effects of bromelain on asthma, which is a condition that causes inflammation and narrowing of the airways in the lungs. The results showed that bromelain significantly reduced the levels of inflammatory markers in the blood of asthmatic patients. Another study published in 2010 tested the effects of bromelain on chronic sinusitis, which is a condition that causes inflammation and mucus buildup in the sinuses and can affect the lungs. The results showed that bromelain significantly improved the symptoms of sinusitis, such as nasal congestion, headache, and facial pain. Number 4. Peppermint tea. One of the main benefits of peppermint tea for the lungs is that it can help ease respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, and colds. The menthol in peppermint works as a decongestant, shrinking swollen membranes in the nose and making it easier to breathe, and also helps loosen mucus that has collected in the lungs. Peppermint may also help prevent sickness from coming on in the first place, as it has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can fight off infections. To make peppermint tea, you need some fresh or dried peppermint leaves and hot water. Steep the leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular beverages in the world, and for good reasons. It has many health benefits, including some for your lungs. One of the main components of green tea is a type of antioxidant called catechin, especially epigallocatechin 3-gallate. Catechins have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer effects, among others. They can also protect your lungs from oxidative stress, which is a major cause of lung damage and aging. A review article published in 2010 summarized the beneficial effects of green tea on various lung diseases, such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, and pulmonary fibrosis. The authors suggested that the catechins in green tea can regulate the immune system, inhibit inflammation, prevent cell death, and suppress tumor growth in the lungs. Another study published in 2020 reported that a green tea extract can help fight pulmonary fibrosis, which is a serious condition where scar tissue builds up in the lungs and makes it hard to breathe. Number 6. Lemon water. Lemon water is a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can protect the lung cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Vitamin C may also help prevent or reduce the symptoms of respiratory infections, such as the common cold or pneumonia. Lemon water also has antiseptic properties, which means it can help kill bacteria in the body and prevent mucus buildup. Other than that, lemon water contains flavonoids, which are plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic effects. Flavonoids may help modulate the immune system and reduce the severity of asthma and allergic rhinitis. To make lemon water, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water. You can drink it cold or hot, depending on your preference. Number 7. Elderberry tea. You may have heard that elderberry is a natural remedy for colds and flu, but did you know that it can also help your respiratory health in other ways? First of all, elderberry is rich in anthocyanins, which are plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Anthocyanins can support your gut health by promoting the growth of good bacteria, which in turn can boost your immune system and help you fight off infections. But that's not all. Anthocyanins can also support your lung health by improving the gut-lung axis, which is the connection between your digestive and respiratory systems. This means that what happens in your gut can affect your lungs and vice versa. For example, if you have an imbalance of gut bacteria, you may be more prone to respiratory problems like asthma or allergies. On the other hand, if you have healthy gut bacteria, you may be more resilient to lung infections and inflammation. According to a systematic review published in 2015, elderberry may not prevent you from catching the common cold, but it may reduce the duration and severity of your symptoms if you drink it at the onset of illness. This is because elderberry can interfere with the replication of some viruses and modulate your immune response. The same review also found that elderberry may shorten the duration of influenza, which is another common respiratory infection. There you have it, 7 drinks that can help you detox and cleanse your lungs naturally. By drinking these beverages, you can boost your lung function, prevent infections, and breathe easier. You can also combine these drinks with other healthy habits, such as exercising, eating well, and avoiding smoking and pollution. So what do you think about these drinks? Did you try some of them before? Share with us your tips and suggestions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.